Hi, it's Erin with Snowberry Design Co. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I post a new watercolor video every week. In today's video, I'll be using bleed-proof white to paint over this wash of red watercolor. I've been wanting to paint something like this for a really long time, so I'm excited for today's video. So before I started painting, I painted an even wash of this Perylene Scarlet on my paper, and I let it dry completely. If the base wasn't dry, I wouldn't get that crisp white look that I was going for in this piece. So it's really important that the base is completely dry before you paint on top of it. All of my white elements are painted with bleed-proof white, and the link to that is in my Amazon store if you're interested. In my opinion, it's the best white paint because it's so opaque. It can be used with acrylic, gouache, watercolor, and as a calligraphy ink, so definitely check it out. To start out, I've painted some leaf-shaped petals to create two poinsettia-looking flowers. Next, I'm painting this little rose shape to fill in the space next to my poinsettias. Since these are all the same color, I really have to pay attention to my composition. I'm adding in some leaves and some smaller leaf sprigs to the sides of my composition before moving up to the top to add anything up there. You can see that I'm kind of adding in similar elements at a time, and then just adding little bits here and there so I don't overwork the composition. Now that I'm feeling pretty good about where things are, I'm going to go over some of the larger elements again to make them a solid white. I'll add a few tiny sprigs and then call it finished. Super simple. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for weekly watercolor videos. Thanks again for watching. Bye!